goes to the back of the boat.
Bottom brown to the right goes to the back of the boat.
The left green goes to the back of the boat. Alright. Well, you know what? You won't have to undo those ones. Wait a minute. Let's just, go ahead, keep filming. What do we got here? Come on. Alright, let's just start pulling them off. So the white one that goes to the back, that goes out, is the top one. Alright. Let's see the next one. Let's see. This one stays. This one can stay. This blue goes. So the blue one to the right, comes off. The green one to the right comes off. Okay. Your hands in my way. You're right. The top brown one comes off. That's all the way to the right. You got that? The orange one, which is above the purple one to the right, comes off. Oh. Shit, this one came off. Where did that one go? That one's to the bottom. Okay, what are we missing here? Oh. Yeah, right from my head.
Sorry, man. Stop yelling at me.
See. Alright, so the red power one, you got that right there. The red power one, the main, comes off. Okay, what are we missing here? And then the black one above the right solenoid, right here, comes off. Okay. Alright, let me see this again. Make sure everything's still on here. Alright. Good, good. Now this brown one I thought went to the bottom. I believe it does. Okay. Alright. Here we go.